Hey everyone, welcome back to Accounting Basics. If you've ever heard the terms bookkeeping and accounting used like they mean the same thing, you're not alone. They're closely related, but they are definitely not identical. In this video, we're going to break down the basics of bookkeeping versus accounting, what each one actually does, and why understanding the difference matters for businesses of all sizes. Here's the surprising truth. Every accountant relies on bookkeeping, but not every bookkeeper is an accountant. And if you mix these two roles up, it could cost you time, money, or even trouble with taxes. So let's clear the confusion once and for all. Let's start with bookkeeping, because this is the foundation of everything. Bookkeeping is all about recording financial transactions. Think of it as the daily diary of the business's money. Every time money comes in or goes out, a bookkeeper records it. This includes sales, purchases, payments, receipts, invoices, and expenses. Bookkeepers focus on accuracy and organization. Their job is to make sure that every transaction is logged correctly and consistently. Today, most bookkeeping is done using accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, or Wave, but the purpose is the same as it's always been: keeping clean, detailed financial records. Common bookkeeping tasks include recording daily transactions, managing invoices and receipts, reconciling bank statements, tracking expenses and income, maintaining general ledgers. Bookkeeping is mostly historical. It answers the question, what happened to the money? Now let's move up a level to accounting. Accounting takes the information created by bookkeeping and analyzes, interprets, and summarizes it. Accountants don't just record data. They use it to understand the financial health of a business and help guide decisions. Accountants prepare financial statements like income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. They also handle tax planning and filing, budgeting, forecasting, financial analysis, and compliance with laws and regulations. While bookkeeping is about accuracy, accounting is about insight and strategy. Accounting answers questions like, is the business profitable? Where can costs be reduced? How much tax is owed? And can the business afford to grow or invest? In short, accounting turns numbers into meaning. The easiest way to understand the difference is to think of input versus output. Bookkeeping is the input. It's the raw financial data being entered correctly and consistently. Accounting is the output. It's the interpretation of that data to support decisions. Another difference is skill level and training. Bookkeepers typically don't need advanced degrees, while accountants often have formal education and certifications. Accountants also have a broader legal and financial responsibility. Bookkeeping and accounting aren't competitors, they're teammates. Without good bookkeeping, accounting falls apart. If the records are inaccurate or incomplete, the accountant's analysis will be unreliable. On the other hand, bookkeeping without accounting leaves businesses with data but no direction. Small businesses often start with just bookkeeping, then add accounting support as they grow. Larger businesses usually have both roles working together. So here's the takeaway. Bookkeeping records the story of your money, and accounting explains what that story means. If you're running a business, understanding this difference will help you know who to hire, what services you need, and how to stay financially healthy. If this video helped to clear things up, give it a like, subscribe for more simple business explanations, and let me know in the comments, are you more interested in bookkeeping or accounting? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.